Hello everyone. Me and my team members are working on fuzzy logic based infusion pump for anesthesia. Let me introduce my team members: Professor Ashok Deshpande, Professor Sonauni, myself, Dr. Vinayak Desukar, and Professor S.D. Agash. So first of all, let me tell you the present situation in the operation theatre. The present scenario in the operation theatre is that anesthesiologist used to monitor different parameters like heart rate, oxygen saturation during the surgery. And depending on that parameters, anesthesiologist judge the depth of anesthesia, and based on their experience, she or he used to adjust the drug rate manually. Our aim is to control this drug rate automatically by taking feedback from the multi-parameter monitor. Let me introduce you my system components. This is my multi-parameter monitor. This is Concept Integrations multi-parameter monitor. It displays the heart rate, oxygen saturation, and mean arterial pressure. This is Vertex 4 FPGA, that is Field Programmable Gate Array board. So my control algorithm, that is fuzzy logic based algorithm, is implemented in this board. And this is my syringe pump. So this syringe pump delivers the anesthetic drug to the patient. So let me give you a short simulation. The strategy of the intravenous anesthesia is that first of all, induction dose is delivered to the patient. So how much induction dose should be delivered, that depends on weight of the patient. Suppose the weight of the patient is 60 kg. So for 60 kg, 18 ml induction dose should be delivered. Suppose induction dose is delivered, and after settling time, we will consider one situation. For this situation, let us consider mean arterial pressure is 80 and high oxygen saturation is 98, and let us consider the heart rate is 96. So for this situation, the depth of anesthesia becomes 82 and the drug rate that becomes 127. So this is a continuous live system. It will take a feedback from the patient. That multi-parameter monitor will take the physiological condition of the patient. It will send that condition to this controller. This controller uses the fuzzy logic. That fuzzy logic is based on expert's knowledge base, and it will control the syringe pump. So this is the block diagram of the system. My parameters, patient's physiological condition is monitored by using this multi-parameter monitor. It sends that condition to the FPGA, that is my controller. In this FPGA, this multi-parameter monitor is sending this data using the UART protocol. So here, first of all, decoding of this protocol, then it sends that value to the fuzzy fire, to the fuzzy block. In that fuzzy block, first is a fuzzy fire. These values are fuzzified, and using the expert's knowledge base, the fuzzy output is taken, and that fuzzy output is defuzzified later. And the next blocks are to drive the syringe pump. In the syringe pump, the drug is delivered using a stepper motor. Stepper motor provides the force or the torque to deliver the drug. So to control the speed of the stepper motor, in short, we have to control the delay that is to be used to drive the stepper motor. So this is my system. Let me, as I don't have the patient simulator here, I am simulating some situations using some switches. Let me introduce you that. For example, my first situation is that MAP is 52, oxygen saturation is 96, heart rate is 75. For this situation, depth of anesthesia becomes 33, and for this depth of anesthesia, drug rate should be 26 ml per hour. So this situation, is simulated using the switch. Let us see. The LCD shows the drug rate. See for the second situation. My second situation is that MAP is 50, oxygen saturation is 96 and heart rate is 60. So for this situation, depth of anesthesia becomes 27, and for this depth of anesthesia 27, my drug rate should be 38 ml per hour. So this situation is simulated using this switch. Let us see. This LCD shows. So these are the few results. That's it. Thank you.